Book of Heaven, Volume 12, April 12, 1917. It is not the suffering that renders the creature unhappy. She becomes unhappy when something is missing to her love. As I was in my usual state, my always lovable Jesus came, and since I was a little in suffering, he took me in his arms and told me,
"My beloved daughter of mine, rest in me. Even more your pains, do not keep them with yourself, but send them up to my cross, that they may become the cortege of my pains and relieve me, and my pains may be the cortege of yours and sustain you. Burn with the same fire and be consumed together. And I will look upon your pains as my own. I will give them the same effects, the same value, and they will do the same offices which I did on the cross, before the Father and before souls. Even more, come, you yourself, onto the cross. How happy we will be together, even in suffering." In fact, it is not the suffering that renders the creature unhappy. On the contrary, suffering makes her victorious, glorious, rich, beautiful. But she becomes unhappy when something is missing to her love. You, united with me on the cross, will be completely satisfied in love. Your pains will be love, your life love, all love, and therefore you will be happy.